What's up, guys? It's Sydney, and this is your 10-minute ab burnout. So grab your mat and let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome to your 10-minute abs workout. Today I will be using a slider, or in my world, a sweat towel. If you have one of those, you can grab it. If you don't have it, the move that we're going to be doing, I just want to show you really quick before we start, is just going to be a knee to elbow kind of move. So if you don't have a slider, you can also just give me a knee to elbow option. But if you do have either a sweat towel, a t-shirt, a paper plate, a magazine, a coloring book, something like that, there'll be one exercise where we'll do it with right leg and then left leg, and that's it. Other than that, just body weight today. If you want to grab some dumbbells or wrist weights or ankle weights, you're free to do that, but I'm just going to be doing body weight and using a sweat towel, okay? 10 exercises, 50 seconds each, just enough to switch right into the next move. We're going to be working all the right side of the body first, or the right side of your core, and then the left side on the second half of the workout, okay? So come on down with me. We're going to start without the sweat towel, so you can move that out of the way, or your slider. Okay, I'll show you the first move and then I'll count you down and we will start together, okay? First move is gonna be right leg, sit up, and 2 pulse, okay? So you've got your right leg coming up, you're gonna sit up, 1, 2, and back down, okay? If you need to modify, give me just the knee, crunch 1, 2, and back down, okay? Let's go together in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Right leg, we're up, up, and down. Good job. So just a little half release here and come right back up. Good, you've got 50 seconds right here, and we're just gonna kind of roll right into the next move. Good job. 20 seconds left. That's it. You've got 13, 12, 11. Almost there. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now take your hands right underneath your hips. You're gonna lift legs to 45 degrees. You're gonna drop right leg back together. Right together. Ready? 2, 1. Here we go. Right leg drops down and up. Now, I find it easier to have my hands under my tailbone. If you need to raise your legs a little higher, that's okay as well. Okay, if you want to step it up, feel free to remove your hands and put them right here behind your head. But you'll feel this a lot in your lower belly. Okay, and also in the top part of your leg, but we're gonna hit mostly lower belly on this one. Great job. 15 more seconds. Good, come on, stay with me. 7, 6, keep the tailbone down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, now take both legs, put them flat on the floor. Right leg, we're still working there. You're gonna bicycle crunch just the right leg. Okay, 2, 1, let's go. Good twist over, knee outside your elbow, or elbow outside your knee. Great job, guys. Almost there. Woo! Push through that burn. We're gonna move into a plank next. Almost there, come on. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Good, come over onto your elbow, right elbow, okay? And we're gonna go side plank. You're gonna cross down, tap your elbow, and reach back to the ceiling, okay? 2, 1, let's go. Cross, woo, and ceiling. It's okay if you fall over. Come right back up. Just shows I was kind of going too fast there. Control, control. To modify, drop down to your knee, tap down, open back up. Okay? Either way, we're crossing, we're crunching, and your next exercise is where you're gonna grab that slider And it'll be the last move with the right leg. Beautiful. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now I'm gonna fold my mat up in half here. Right leg is going knee to elbow, okay? So I'm taking the right leg right here, right here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You wanna make it a little tougher? Go down to the elbow, keep the hips low. Good job. This is exercise number 5. Number 6, we're gonna turn it over to the left leg and we're gonna throw that slider onto your left toe. Same thing, reversing it from this exercise back to the start with just your left leg. 15 more seconds. 7, 6, 2, 1, rest. Good job. Stay right here, and this is the start of the left side, okay? Same thing on the left leg, plank, knee to elbow. Let's go ahead and switch it over. And here we go, knee to elbow. You're doing fantastic, come on. Almost there, come on, I know it's burning. You've got 20 seconds left. Good, 10, 9, 5, 4, 2, 1, and rest. You're done with the slider, and we're back up. Whew. To that crossover. All right, here we go. Whew. 2, 1, and let's get it. That's it. So we're just rocking from the end of the right leg all the way back up. Same exercises, just in reverse order. On the left side. Beautiful job, 20 seconds. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, good job. And now we're going left leg, bicycle. Right? So just the left leg, crossing over and back out. Ready? Let's go. Good job. I want you to cross all the way over. Mic pack is in the way here a little bit so my cross doesn't look as good as the other side, but I want your elbow right outside of your knee. Yes, I know it burns. Come on. Good job. Go for it. Go for it. 15, 14. 6, 5, 2, 1, rest. Good job. And you've got the left leg lift or lower, okay? So you can be here, dropping it down, or you can crunch here, okay? Wherever you're at, let's go together. Here we go. Keep your toe pulled back towards your knee. And if you want to make this tougher, drop your legs to 45. Good job, I'm with you, just breathing, come on. You're right there, 20 seconds left. And you remember that first exercise we started with? Sit up in 2 pulses. We're gonna do that with the left leg and we're done. We're almost there. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, leave the left leg up, right leg goes down. You're here, 1, 2, down to the floor, whatever you've got left. I know your abs are burning, mine are too. Ready, leg up, let's go. Good, come on, push through or pull through. Let's go, let's go. This is it. Breathe with me. Come on, 20 seconds, 15 seconds. When you got 10 seconds left, you're gonna lift both legs off the ground and just hold. 8, 7, last one, come on up right here. 3, 2, 1, stay here for 10, 9, 8, squeeze, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Amazing job, guys. Let's flip it over onto your stomach. Just stretch these hips out a little bit. All right, amazing job. 10-minute abs, crushed. Oh, great work. Quick, simple, no dumbbells required. If you got a sweat towel or a t-shirt in your house, you could do that slider move. Amazing job. Come back onto your hands and knees and let's just slowly make our way back up to the top. And you have made it through your 10-minute abs. I'm so proud of you guys. Make sure if you're finished, you let me know in the comments below that you crushed it. Comment, I crushed it in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and then share this workout with a friend. See if they can do this without stopping. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ooh.